Ecobee. Now, energy management, energy saving, trending, all these terminologies that we've been using, I've been using here at the show. This is what it all boils down to. Listen, Stuart, Seon Johnson, and listen, I'm looking around at just the enthusiasm. People keep coming by. It took me a while to actually pull you away. So, I mean, whatever you guys are doing must be awesome. So, tell me about Ecobee. What sets you guys apart from everything you have going on right now?
Sure. Thank you very much. Yeah, I mean, it's been a great show for us, and as you can see, like just a ton of excitement. And really what makes us different is we started with a simple idea, which is how do we make it easy for people to conserve energy, save money, reduce their environmental footprint, and how can we use technology to make it easier so you don't actually have to do it, right? And so the nice thing about our products is they're internet connected, so you can control them from a web browser or your mobile phone, and customers love that because they're on the go. You know, if I, coming home early, change it so my air conditioner comes on, it's nice and comfortable when I get home, or if I'm not home,
if I go on vacation, I can turn it off, and as soon as I hit the airport, I can actually go ahead, laptop, smartphone, cut it on when I get home, perfect temperature.
Yeah, and then we have smart algorithms that that use the internet that can do things for you. So our average customer is saving about 24% on their heating and cooling versus just leaving their thermostat in hold at 72. And so they're getting real savings. It's about $250 to $500 depending on the size of your home for our average customer. So it's real money, and they're really excited about it.
Now, in a residential setting, do you recommend something like this? As far as what size home doesn't really matter as far as a residential setting?
I think it matters for all homes because heating and cooling is about 50 to 70% of your home's energy use. So it is worth controlling heating and cooling. And again, depending on the size of your house, you can save $250 to $500 a year. So it's really worth doing its real money in your in your jeans, right?
Well, you know what? Going to the big boys, actually, commercial applications, whether it be schools, restaurants, and I'm speaking of restaurants, let me stop right there because one thing you guys have as well is the alert system. So if someone leave a walk-in cooler open by accident, temperature drops to a certain level, it also gives an alert. You want to explain about that a little bit more?
Yeah, sure. So our product for commercial applications are designed exactly for that. Schools, churches, restaurants, small retail locations, where you can't afford a full-blown building automation system, but you want to know what's going on. And so, not only can you manage your heating and cooling, but as you said, you can monitor like a walk-in cooler or freezer. If somebody leaves the door open, you want to know about it because you don't want to lose all your inventory. And typically that system will pay for itself in about 6 months. The savings are bigger because you're using more energy in those locations.
That's good, fast return as far as the ROI is concerned. That's really good.
Yeah, and then typically if you're a facilities manager, you're managing maybe 20 locations or 30 locations. And so how do I manage 30 locations? Well, right now I'm running around from place to place just to make sure, see what's going on. Now I can do it all on a tablet app, and I can see exactly what's going on my locations, and so I spend less time running around and more time doing real work.
Now that's some savings right there. Whether it be traffic, peace of mind, whatever it is, this is awesome.
If you need to control it or measure it, Stromquist & Company has a control solution for you. With over $2 million of inventory between our Georgia and Florida locations, an easy-to-use online ordering platform, same-day shipping, and a factory-trained team of controls experts to answer your questions, Stromquist & Company continues in its tradition of offering great service and great products.